So finally, MetaQuest 3 is available for pre-order! I placed my order as soon as it went live, and I cannot wait for it to arrive. If you want to get your hands on the next generation of VR, be sure to pre-order using the link in the description below. And don't forget to smash the subscribe button for upcoming Quest 3 accessories reviews, unboxings, and first impressions of the headset. There's so much new information about the Quest 3, and I can't wait to go over some of the key details we now know. Firstly, and this is huge, the Quest 3 will be shipping on October 10th. So, not long at all to wait now. There are 2 models available for pre-order. Even more exciting, the Quest 3 features incredible new pancake lenses, which provide a drastically wider field of view and crystal clear edge-to-edge clarity compared to the Fresnel lenses in the Quest 2. The field of view is a jaw-dropping 110 degrees, even wider than the top-tier Quest Pro. Visuals will be extraordinarily sharp and detailed with 2064 by 2208 pixels per eye. A big jump up from Quest 2's 1832 by 1920 resolution. I don't know about you, but I can't contain my excitement for the Quest 3. Additionally, for powering these stunning visuals, we'll have the new Snapdragon XR2 Gen 2 processor, providing double the GPU performance of the Quest 2. The jump in quality is astonishing, with significantly improved textures, lighting, and overall sharpness. The Quest 3 is lighter and slimmer than the Quest 2, with a redesigned head strap and facial interface. It still weighs a bit more than Quest 2, but the weight sits closer to your face, so it feels very balanced and comfortable. The new touch controllers ditch the tracking rings, but are otherwise similar to Quest 2 controllers. One of the most impressive upgrades is the color pass-through cameras, enabled by the depth sensor on the front. Instead of seeing a basic black and white outline of your surroundings, you get a full-color pass-through image. This takes mixed reality to the next level. And now, speaking of mixed reality, Meta is really pushing its capabilities here, as well as MR games. You'll be able to place virtual objects around your home through a feature called Augments. Maybe you want a virtual TV on your wall or a radio on your shelf. You can customize your actual environment with these virtual objects fixed in place. I can see this being used in really creative ways, like having a virtual aquarium on your wall or a portal to your favorite game world. In addition to placing virtual objects, there's some really impressive upcoming mixed reality games and experiences too. It's also wild to see virtual elements blended so seamlessly into real ones. Meta is clearly making mixed reality a huge priority for Quest 3. And that innovation isn't just limited to mixed reality. There are going to be over 100 regular VR games optimized or updated for Quest 3 by the end of the year. People have already tried Assassin's Creed VR on the Quest 3, saying it was mind-blowing with stunningly detailed environments and smooth gameplay thanks to the power of the new Snapdragon processor. Like lighting and textures got a significant upgrade too. In addition to these, Red Matters 2 also had a major graphical overhaul with vastly improved lighting, shadows, and details that simply weren't possible on Quest 2 hardware. It looks absolutely stunning now, and these visual leaps are possible because of the step up in power that Quest 3 provides. Overall, I'm thrilled with what I've heard of the MetaQuest 3 so far, and I can't wait to try everything myself. Quest 3 certainly provides major upgrades across the board: comfort, visual performance, and mixed reality capabilities. Now, we can say that the future of VR looks extremely bright. I don't know why I'm repeating this again and again, but I actually can't wait to unbox my Quest 3, set it up, and fully immerse myself in this new world of possibilities that this innovative headset enables! And now I can say with satisfaction that 2023 is going to be a landmark year for VR, thanks to the launch of the MetaQuest 3. Let me know if you plan on pre-ordering a Quest 3. If yes, then be sure to pre-order using the link in the description below. I'll also be sure to bring you plenty of content covering this exciting new headset. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.